I am always on the lookout for how I can do crypto better and how I can make more money, have better access to tools and technology. And this is one that I definitely think you ought to give a look to. It is Best Wallet. So this is a crypto wallet, similar to like a MetaMask or a Trust Wallet. It competes with those guys, but I think what they're doing is some really, really cool stuff. And let me share with you and kind of cut to the chase. The Ultimate 2024 crypto wallet earned points, unlock rewards, and be an early adopter. Manage your crypto assets smarter. And in fact, look at this post right here. Upcoming tokens. We're excited to bring a world first feature for crypto wallets. The upcoming tokens tab is now live in Best Wallet. You can now, number one, browse new and early pre-sales. That's cool. Buy pre-sales directly in the app. That's cool. View your token balance pre-launch. That's cool. No third-party connection needed. This is a really cool feature that, quite frankly, doesn't exist in other wallets, like a MetaMask wallet. I've been using MetaMask for years, and I'm definitely going to be starting to use Best Wallet. Check out the features because continue to see what we've got here. It is multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial, all things that you want. You want it to be easy to use, non-custodial. We own our own keys, right? That's why you don't want to keep your crypto on exchanges like Coinbase and things like that. But multi-chain, multi-wallet, I love that. By the way, they've got a really great ecosystem. They've got a DEX. They've got their own, so their own decentralized exchange called Best DEX. They've got a great wallet portfolio management system in place, and even insights. So they're giving you a lot of tools and additional, technology tools to make even more money in crypto, to manage your crypto assets better. That's what I love about what Best Wallet is doing. And by the way, links in the description below to get to this website where you can pick up Best Wallet and check it out for yourself. And as I mentioned, they have their own DEX, their own decentralized exchange, so it'll have lower fees, things of that nature. Trade anything, no registration, no hassle, all that kind of stuff. So what they're doing is putting together a really great suite of tools, the wallet, the DEX, all the tech built in, that there's kind of those early management notification fees, like early insight into new launches that are coming, like I showed you here. And again, that's something that nobody is really doing, and I think that's really, really cool. There's the roadmap right there for you. So this is a really great great project. So, like I said, check them out. Links in the description below. If you're watching this over on X, Twitter, then the link is going to be above me to get to their website. All you need is there. All right. So that's all I got for you. This was a sponsored video from Best Wallet, but don't let that dissuade you from checking this out. This is one that I'm definitely going to check out as well. And I'm going to see, because I want access to those new token launches as well. I'm always on the lookout for a upcoming token launch and a way to manage it better, to be involved and all that kind of stuff. So I'll see you. Have a good one. Links down in the description below here on YouTube and above me over on X. Later. See you.